Day, ang dami na nating pinagdaanan. Thankful ako sa Panginoon kasi ito na yung first stage ng totoong buhay natin. And promise ko sa'yo na aalagaan kita at lahat ng pagsubok na darating sa atin, hindi kita iiwan.
Randy, since the day I met you, I knew you were a special man with a good heart. Hindi lang ako nagpapahalata, pero I knew from that day forward, I became a true believer that you do not find true love, but true love finds you.
Kumusta?
Kapit na. Excited na bro.
Ganda ng damit mo.
Mukhang kakalimutan pag
Oo.
nagkasama ka na.
Oo naman bro.
Good luck bro.
Nakakalimutan ko na lahat.
This is it.
Sisit! Alam mo yan. Kita naman. Kamusta ka na? Ang ganda, di ba? Akala
Randy,
ikaw
I'm so thankful na sabi ko nga sa'yo na lagi kang andyan for me. You are my answered prayer and thank you for bringing out the best in me. Siguro after ng wedding, I'll try my very best. Hindi man maging perfect wife, pero with the help of the Lord, alam ko malalagpasan natin lahat ng struggle sa buhay na ito. So,
When we were young, we burned like summer suns. Our fears at bay, we made our own way, no stopping us.
Hindi ko man madalas sabihin sa'yo yung word na to. Pero alam mo naman siguro, nararamdaman mo na mahal kita.
Turned the page, our story became
Hindi ko kayang mawala ka. So aalagaan ko kung ano man yung nasimulan natin.
you and
Wala kayo, ayos ah.
I found what we've been missing. You and it feels like we're finally living. We are wide awake. It's all so clear. The dreams we held are standing here. You and we found what we've been missing.
Mary Grace, from the moment I first saw you, I knew you were the one with whom I wanted to share my life. Your beauty, heart, and mind inspired me to be the best person I can be. I promise to love you for eternity, respecting you, being faithful to you, and sharing my life with you.
Walk with me, and we'll be all we need.
thank you and sobra kitang na-appreciate sa lahat. See you later. Mahal kita.
You and it feels like we're finally living. We are wide awake. It's all so clear. The dreams we held are standing here. You and we found what we've been missing.
I pray that God would lead me to His choice, and I praise Him today. His will is being fulfilled. I will never be thankful for answered prayer and the sweetest blessing God has given me, at ikaw yun. Mahal kita.